We're back live in Kuna. This is a rainstorm right here. A rain cloud in a bottle. How about that? The kids have just created this. You can see the die representing the rain that's coming down here. This is a lot what it looks like in the distance there. This is just one of many weather experiments that will be done today. Nice job, kids. I appreciate that. There are two. I'm tracking two rainstorms right here on this table right now. And this is the instructions of everybody who comes in will get to make the rain cloud in a jar using some shaving cream and dye, and there will be no spraying of the shaving cream into anybody, right? Okay, we won't do that. Okay, that's good. All right, I've got some experiments as well that we're going to do. We're going to do some interactive learning. I want to bring in right now, this is Jill Hettinger. She's the executive director of the STEM Academy. Jill, thanks so much for inviting me here tonight and inviting us in, and tell us what's going to be happening tonight.
Yeah, so tonight our students will be participating and community members will be participating in multiple different levels of STEM education, including meteorology, healthcare with a sim body, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and virtual reality.
And it's an exciting night. I've seen everything being set up next door as well. And how many people do you think are going to come through here tonight?
Oh, hundreds.
So
yeah, at least 200. I mean, I think more though. We have a lot of community members coming out that some are members of our community, PySTEM community, and others are not. And some of them are just checking our school out to see if they might want to have their children here.
Well, this is an exciting time, and so you'll get a chance to do that. I see somebody behind you.
Yes.
Tell me, is this Crichton?
This is Crichton, named after Michael Crichton.
And very, I should say, intimidating.
Yes. Mike, so he is supposed to be Tyrannosaurus Rex. A lot of us feel like he's more the size of a raptor, but we just call him a mini Rex. Crichton is our school mascot. We are the PySTEM Dinos.
The PySTEM Dinos. There you go, right there. There's Crichton inside there. And don't get too close to the camera. You might bite that thing off there. So we're going to talk a little bit about the weather. Jill, thanks so much. I appreciate that. And weather-wise, as we get to the weather, it has been so mild outside. Take a look at the numbers here as we go through the next 10 days. You really don't see a huge change. The one change we see is that temperature rising. And how about that? We could shoot up into the mid to upper 50s. It says 55 on Saturday. Wouldn't doubt up to 58 or so. I don't know if we'll touch 60, but either way, both Friday and Saturday will be very, very mild. And then look at the temperatures crashing down on Sunday, and we'll probably have snow just through the day in the Treasure Valley on Sunday with those colder temperatures, and staying chilly and warming right back up to 50 by next Friday. So we'll go right back and warm things up, but this will be the first cool down in a while. In the interim here, you see the clear skies showing up on the satellite here. That's the dry air coming in from the south. They've got rain in Seattle because of the warmth. There's a huge aerial flood advisory up in this region right here because of the snow levels and the snow melting and the rivers rising. That's what's going to be happening out to the west. So when we put this into motion here, I want to show you the colder air that we had kind of drifting by to the north. Now will be replaced by that red line, which is a warm front. So here comes the warmer weather in from the southwest. That warmer weather will stream in here for the next couple of days. And so there's Friday afternoon, partly cloudy with warmer temperatures. The cold front now coming in from the north and west here. There's colder air behind this cold front, but ahead of it, it will be warmer. Now, I do see some cloud cover in here, so it may not be bright and sunny on Saturday, but I do expect some sunshine and temperatures well into the 50s. And then here comes the front. It slides through, and all that blue is snow. There'll be some snow throughout the Treasure Valley and central Idaho as well, and that colder air coming in behind us. So keep that in mind. Colder temperatures are definitely on the way. In the McCall area, they had some sunshine today. The next couple of days, it will be mild to start, but then you will have colder temperatures. So a mild Saturday at the Winter Carnival, but much colder with some snow coming in Saturday night into Sunday. Treasure Valley forecast, look at this, 51 degrees, increasing sunshine, very, very pleasant conditions. As we take a look at that extended forecast coming up, what you'll notice here is that we go warming to 55 on Saturday, but then on Sunday, there's that chance of snow coming in during the early morning hours. Those temperatures will be dropping. And look at the temperatures in the 20s on Monday and Tuesday. We're going to be cooling things back on down. So we'll be noticing the change coming on in. Coming up a little later, if we have time at the end of the show, or at least at 6 o'clock, this ping pong ball represents a hailstone. I'm going to show you a weather experiment to show you what happens in a thunderstorm with this hailstone. Don?